How to know your exact location on Google Maps. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can know your exact location on Google Maps. For that, you'll have to open your Google Map application on your mobile device, and once you have opened your Google Map, click on this icon just above this arrow icon. Once you click on it, it will ask you to turn on your device location. Click on OK and turn on the location of your device. This allows Google Maps to access your device, GPS or other location sources to determine your exact location. The blue dot you are able to see on the screen represents your current location. If the blue dot is not accurate enough, you can zoom in on the map to get a closer view of your surroundings. This can help you pinpoint your exact location more accurately. If you want to know the address or coordinates of your exact location, you can tap on this blue dot on the map. This will usually display the address or coordinates at the bottom of the screen. Once you have determined your exact location on Google Maps, you can use it to navigate to the nearby places, get directions, or explore the area around you. Even if you want to share your current location with others, you can tap on the blue dot and select the option to share your location. This will allow you to send your location to your friends, family via text message, email, or other messaging apps. So that's it. By following these steps, you can easily know your exact location on Google Maps. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.